Welcome back, y'all. We'll roll in a minute here. Just waiting for pirates to show up. Afternoon, coming at you live. What time is it? 11:23 a.m. Diving right into Power Hour. It's kind of fun. It's gonna be fun. I don't think I've ever even been live for 10 people before. Who's in the chat? Reveal yourself. You get extra credit. We got whatever. We can talk about whatever. We're all in a good mood. Who's showing up for afternoon battle? Alright, don't look. I'm changing shirts. Hope everyone's doing well. 27% discount on Grayscale Litecoin. What the fuck? Let's dive into that chart. Hey Gizmo! Hey Steve-O, let's go! Hey Swift Mischief! Hey Gary Hodgen! Hey, Stock Wizard. Hey, I'm Coke. Hey, I'll study paper rounds. Hey, Sodawan. Hey, Tomas. Hey, Eric Shaw. PKKT. We look at it. Hey, Gimp. I'm Coke. So it. Kelly's. Kelly. You're the commander of the Lady Pirates right now. Show him the way. Here, take this. Kelly's got the captain's hat. For 24/7, 365, David. Nerdy Dark. Top of being Joe. Head start. One of our most loyal pirates. He's always ready for battle. He can't get enough. He's so savage. He can't get enough coconut water. Nothing can quench his thirst. There's a giant. We need a giant. We need some power. Power hour. A hornet. Always ready to sting. Battalion. That's close to vitality, which means life power. Oh, what happened? Yeah, we just took a lunch break, even though I didn't eat lunch or breakfast or dinner. But more of a mental break. Intense week, intense day, intense market, and I was starting to get heated because we got dumbass straight trade streaming about Spider-Man right now. Hey Tomas, the zeros in your name are cool. Don't you dare drop the A word, Nathan. Going off that point. I'm gonna lose it. Spider-Man was great. You saw it Saturday. All in. I'm gonna wait for the Matrix. I'm gonna all in. Yeah, but people are already talking about that. That's what's cool about this afternoon. It's kind of some fun. Small audience, whatever. Really trying to make money and keep up with the church, and then you got the Spider-Man Moon Boys. I don't know. It's pretty extreme right now. You got the pro traders and you got the Spider-Man coconuts. That's a vast difference in the people trading markets this week. wonder how high Asia Broadband will go this week leading into the release of their cryptocurrency exchange. I wonder if it'll hit 50 cents off that news. I hope they release a cryptocurrency. What if Asia Broadband puts out a cryptocurrency based on their native exchange? Vechain's number one. Stunner. Stunner. Sheep going green. It's tradable. It is tradable. People traded it 10x last night. Gen X Gamer called out Shiba coin the very morning. It fucking exploded. So we called that breakout right here. Shiba. I'm waiting. If it goes down there, I'm gonna buy some, but otherwise I'm not interested at the moment. It'll go up with the rest of crypto though, so it has potential to bottom out here now. It's not decided that yet, so we could potentially hit bottom here, but that's gonna depend more on Bitcoin at the moment. Hey Java Bean Joe, what trades are you in right now? Feel free to let me know in the chat. There are many good choices. It's tough to choose. It really is. It's tough even for me. That's a lot of feedback I've been getting. There's so many hot bevies and even head stocks low on dry powder. Yeah, I fired all mine at Grayscale Litecoin at the moment, so I'm in the same boat. You see, where Captain actually trades alongside you guys, so I've been buying the hot bevies too, you know. It's endurance. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So that's why I do think it's positive for the working crew out there, the working folks. That's where a lot of our audience is right now. They're busy working hard the end of the year, whatever. Powderhound says he's all overwhelmed with his work projects right now and stuff. Oh, nice. Java Bean. Yeah, Savage? That's why I'm here. Let's fucking go. That's awesome. See, people still crushing it. Java Bean just fired some cannons. Asia Broadband. Direct to it. Nice Java Bean. Grayscale Litecoin and ride. Love it. Alright. Anyway, it's positive for the working crew as well, because they're stacking that green while they're stacking that green. So sure, they're diamond enhancing their trades right now and continuing to accumulate when they're able to. That's the way to play the markets right now for the bulls. That's for the bulls. There are ways to play it otherwise, but Hell yeah, Hornet. Yeah. Like, nothing else is even gonna matter at that point if that's what happened. So, of course, we like a proper balance. You don't want to be all in something. Here's a potential balance that you can shoot for. I made this up. Let's get some sevens in the chat. Crew gets shine every day.
777.
Even if during December the viewers get smaller and smaller every day. You are the roll call. Those are all the big brains in the chat. Whoa! Look at all those big brains in the chat. Y'all making the most of it. You're gonna crush it. The giant circles, investments, trading, speculations. Those are the main three. In between, you have your others. Okay, so when you're trading an investment, that's a swing. So you got your swing trades. These are smaller pieces in between. When you're speculating on an investment, those are your holds. When you're trading your speculations, those are day trades because they're risky speculative trade. In the middle, the core crypto. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 parts. Lastly, so let's say somebody had this ideal balance trade, well then that means you have active trading chunk of your portfolio that you can be moving in and out of things every day if you want, whenever you want. You can have a nice section of your portfolio that's liquid, moving around from different trades. This side of it, the investment holds speculate, that's more long term. So you're more short term, you're trading, you're swing trading, you're day trading. Both is good. One more thing. No, I'm thinking about people talking about Grayscale Litecoin stuff. That's great. That's perfect because it's one of the main ones I'm excited about because it has so much potential. Even if the premium doesn't kick in, it's gonna go bullish with Litecoin, and Litecoin's bullish as fuck. So, what's cool about Grayscale Litecoin? It's a little bit of everything. Investment, speculation, a hold, crypto, and a swing. Fits a bunch of those categories. That's really cool. Most things are just in one or two of those sections. Grizzly Giant, you're still playing with BBIG? A lot of those previous bullish trades are now on our bearish watch list. progeny and stuff. We're kind of done with only the bears are playing those. Careful with that. Here's BBIG. Shout out to our bears, you fucking savages. I have to put on my captive's hat. Kelly, I might need the hat back. I would if it wouldn't ruin my hair right now. We'll save it for crypto. Whoa, we're talking about crypto now too. We're still waiting on Bitcoin development. Let's check the dollar. It hasn't really moved. That was perfect lunchtime to take off today. I don't think anything really changed, so we're gone. Power hour in 20 minutes. So I'm gonna be live for a while. If anyone wants to hang out, because I wanna charge some crypto. Captain's basically just starting his day as real traders do. What's it? I don't hear no bell. I mean, what are you expecting to happen in the next hour in the stock market? Like, what are we gonna see? Like a ding dong 5% move? Like, whatever. It's not about today right now on the stocks. We ain't dive into them. We might get some surprises, whatever. But crypto is about to do something major at the end of the year here. We don't have much time to plan for that. It's the bulls who are struggling right now, and that's fair. It's not. That's what I mean. It's like, even if you get a huge move, like we can get a major move on netting or whatever, but no one's gonna be taking profits today. TCAT could go up to $8 today, and no one's gonna care really. Ideally, I hope not. I hope I've taught you that now. I don't know. That's probably not accurate. I'm probably dreaming. I'm daydreaming. Everything new. Fuck. New traders aren't used to the cycle. It doesn't go for everyone, of course. A bunch of experienced pirates out there watching too. It's hard when you just started trading this year and then you've never even seen a full market cycle over a few years. A long-term trade. That means you've literally never seen long-term targets get hit. Or all-time low bottom barrel entries. You've never seen them take a few months to really make their bottoms. Okay, Gary Holdren, for sure, man. Yeah, thanks for sharing that. I remember we chatted that Saturday night. Yeah, I'm trying to keep that in mind, so that's why I wanted to restart the show and slow it down a bit. I was trying to overwhelm the new pirates. It can feel that way for sure right now. Even if you've been in the markets all year, it's hard to see the bigger picture. Because even for the captain, there's about 20 different variables going on right now affecting everything. So I feel I have a great understanding of the market floor right now, but to explain that and to actually comprehend that and be able to let go the control. You can't control the charts. You gotta let them do their thing. You gotta just let go of the market sometimes. So I take a step back and be like, alright, everyone's taking some damage right now. Shit's going crazy. Not a good idea to run headfirst in the battle right now blind and try and take on the markets and make all these lucky trades. You just gotta spot the value levels, make sure there's good targets, do your due diligence so you feel confident about holding them for next year. And let's get to next year and take it from there, because things like this, they really do. It can be a rough storm for this whole month of December, and then January it really does all start turning around. So we might be close to a real huge reversal on these things. That's what it's all steaming up to. So as long as we're maintaining what we're expecting, like BBI, breakout, this hot bevy, nice and strong. These are all chilling right now in the best way possible. Where if I had bought the dip on BBI here, it's the all-time low, and then this chart is just perfect. I have zero complaints about this right here. Literally, I have nothing bad to say about this down at this spot right now. It was already having life at 30 cents back here. We got hot bevy, a few entries on it. It's holding this long-term support. We got bullish divergence. I only have good things to say about it. That's the thing, is the chart might look rough or whatnot, or your position's red on it currently, but there's only good things going on with the technicals, so I'm not worried. I trust the technicals. I know better than that. The charts always prevail. The value levels always balance out. Unless it crashes to zero, sure, but you can say that about fucking anything. People have been saying about Bitcoin that for 10 years. Oh, Bitcoin didn't crash to zero, and it never has, so you can always say that. That's why stop losses exist. Yeah, Gary. It's an interesting question. I mean, that's a tall order, but we can zap through some. Yeah, Hornet, doesn't it feel like the early AMC days? Remember how panicked people were throughout the ups and downs on that? I do, because I had to hold their hands, and then they still fell overboard, and now they're not here anymore, so I don't know. Some people just don't get it. They're never going to. You guys are gonna get it. You're getting it. I'm sure it's making more sense the more you're just watching the show and seeing how these charts work. Because they do work. They fucking absolutely work. It's a time-tested, proven trading strategy that I've been using for a decade. It's my own style, and I'm trying to teach you it. Cause it fucking works, so stick to the plan. Don't doubt the bullishness of this chart. I've doubted the bullishness of these charts before, and then you lose the trade. Guess what? Alright, you said the forbidden word off the part. I'm on the chart. We're looking at the past because it's a fucking lesson. AMC's a lesson that people should learn from. You know how hard it was to help everyone feel bullish on it right here? Or right here? They were freaking the fuck out, panic selling. Remember somebody panic sold at like $8? I was like, but the chart's so bullish on AMC, give it some more time. It's all developing good, this and that. Stick on old Sean, boom! Payday. That's where we're at, alright? We're riding all the waves right now on these things down here. More like down here. At the real bottom. This is where we're at. Almost reached the all-time low. This is what they can do. We already seen it. Here's your proof. There's that one. There's that pumper. GRTX. All-time low. This week, last week. What it just did from an all-time low. Boom! 250%. Reminds me a lot of the early AMC days. All-time low, the 250% breakouts. Let's get those hot bevies. AMC was a hot bevy at under $2. $2 stop hunt. Let's analyze it like as if this was one of our hot bevies right now. Alright, let's say this ride. Let's say we're just finding a hot bevy on a banger chart. We're like, alright, what, $2 stop hunt? Bear trap. Brutal bear trap at $2. It bounced at $1.99, $1.91. Stop on. That was the all-time low. Technically, it's trending down. We got lower lows. We got higher lows on ours. I think. Really? It's trending up. It's trending up. There was bullish divergence at $2 on AMC. We had all the signals right there. That's why I started charting it. It was bullish as fuck at $2 on AMC. Bullish divergence, an all-time low, a bear trap, a stop one at 191. Giant falling wedge breakout as well back here. It was all, that looks like every one of our other hot bevies. Let's go. How many other charts look like that right now? Half of them are what? That's like half of our favorite charts on our watch list that have that shit right now. With giant bullish divergence at the all-time low. We're getting those stop hunts. We're getting those bear trap. We have falling wedges. We have it all. Next year's gonna be lit. This is what happened with Camber Energy. We already got that one. From the all-time low. Some of you bought it down there at 30 to 40 cents. Camber Energy. We got that long-term breakout. Just like AMC. Stop on at 50 cents. Boom. 10 fucking X. 1,000%. Proofs right here, my friend. We're crushing these 10Xers all year long. Where you been? How dare you panic? How dare anyone doubt the bullishness of our charts? Yeah, but he doubted the bullishness of Camber Energy. He said he'll never forget when he sold too early on Camber Energy. Whoops. Shouldn't have doubted the charts. Oh, it's clear now. This is right down here right now. This fucking... This Taya is... So many things. I have to list on Discord, there's like 20 of them. If it's at the all-time low, it is, and we chart it frequently, and we're bullish on it, it's this, all over again. Like Camber Energy a few months ago, right before it crushed 10x, like AMC right before it crushed 10x. Yeah, Mr. Style. Alright, so here's our actual support line on NAKD. It's not 50 cents, so it's just below 50 cents, more like 45. So it can look it can look like, oh no, it's breaking below 50 cents, but it doesn't matter. It only matters if it goes under 45. Power hour. That's no shiba. We're getting some green flashes on the day. Could speak going on, point at the charts and get the message. Yeah. Ooh, booga booga. Chart, all time low. Paper hand, fold. Oops. FOMO. Buy the dip. Booga booga. That's all you need to hear. Be brave enough, it's a dinner. Caveman find coconut. I'm Cozy and Tom Green. I thought we sold BLU too early. And then it went up a lot. Hopefully you got some profits out of it. I could only see somebody's exiting NAKD here if they absolutely needed to pay a bill. They're like, fuck, I really need some money to pay my bills, so I have to sell my NAKD. I don't see why anyone would want to sell it here unless they're completely panicking about it. Otherwise, people have been accumulating diamond hands in it. Not just us, our whales. There's only one real hot bevy on this server. I don't think we're gonna get that again. Let's put it this way, it's very unlikely. Okay, some bad news on it and stuff. Well, it's very unlikely it's gonna double bottom. I doubt it's gonna go down there, guys. Truly. If that's what you're thinking. Double bottom. It's not gonna go down there because I'm gonna fucking buy it all before it does. Because I'm gonna have a giant order at 15 cents. So it's only gonna go so low before it snaps, before the spring, for the fucking arrow, the bow and arrow. The one whale's gonna I'll tell you what, if it goes down here, one whale's gonna step in with a 10 million buy order and bounce it right back up. It's too cheap down there. It would be too cheap, so it's not gonna stay down there. That goes for sundial. Alright, well, sundial's down around the same price. It did that last week, basically. It's been putting in green candles already. So people were worried, oh, sundial's gonna go all the way down to the bottom. It's far away from doing that. Or it just bounces right through January and goes 10x. How about that? After all the paper hands get wrecked right now. I mean, that's the real deal. These markets don't fuck around like that. It looks, oh no, it's gonna double bot. Alright, we'll see. I'm bullish as fuck on it right now. I think it's gonna bounce straight up any day and go $5 fucking on sundial. I really do. People are way over panicked about some of these things right now, and they're the ones who are gonna get wrecked. The patience is gonna pay off on this, almost certainly is. People have been accumulating diamond hands in those dips all year. At the value levels, they're gonna get rewarded on this thing. They're not selling it down here. Only the dummies are. If anything, they're still accumulated. Exactly though, the trade's not even started. I might make sundial my next accumulation. I haven't fully decided what even I'm gonna target next. There's so many good choices. Eventually I'm gonna start accumulating something else. After I get the next 40 shares of LTCN and hit my goal on it. So I'm still planning, like, I'm not buying sundial right now, but I'm still planning for this shit. If this is what it's looking to do, it's looking pretty tempting, and maybe I will. So you're always planning ahead. Even if you're not active, you don't have any dry powder right now, what are you gonna get when you do? Eventually you will get some dry powder and you'll be ready to fire the cannons because you'll know exactly what you're trying to enter. But I'll fucking tell you what, at this rate, if Grace got, here's the real deal as well. for their crew, because I literally, I don't even see any names I don't recognize in the chat. Are there even any new traders anymore ever? They all are down like 100% on their portfolio for the last year, FOMOing into fucking Microvision, AMC, and GameStop, and Palantir, and Dogecoin. They're all wrecked already. There's gonna be a new cycle after they all get completely flushed out. Next year you'll have new people starting to enter the markets when it all settles down more. Look, when everyone's saying, oh well, I'm holding this and that, it's in the red, and of course new traders don't want to get into the markets right now. They're hearing like market crash talk on the mainstream media and stuff. They're gonna FOMO into all this shit next year. C-Change is crushing it. It is right on track for our target. What even is our target on thing? $5. Here's your green bangers. I don't know, guys. I don't know what more I can do. I'm finding people like 100% charts every fucking week, and people are still struggling to trade them. So I've watched all the other content. I've watched all the crypto guys before. I've watched all the AMC guys. I've watched all the stock guys. They're not finding trades like this. If they do, they find one like every 6 months. We find these like every week. I don't know. There are lit charts fucking everywhere right now. This thing's up 26% on the day, and we've just been watching it pump all day. It's like, have fun, go for it. I don't know. It's just another banger chart. If you have that that section of your portfolio to be liquid, moving in and out of things. This is my only projection on it, a giant fucking arrow at $5. Yeah, no, David, but thanks, man. It's not you either. It's not the crew or the audit. It's more that there's just, it's the overall mindset and everything that traders have. It's more, you know, I watch the trends of not just the markets, but the whole hype cycle, anatomy of a bubble and everything, with new investors starting to learn. And there's not that many new traders right now because they've been having trouble all year long. So the ones who earn their battle scar, you got your peg leg already, you're good to go. You got your peg leg, you got your eye patch, you're good to go. But they're not ready for that, so Vechain's number one is SEAC, C-Change International. Looks like it might smash right through $2 for power at 199, still going 30% now. Sheesh. Bullish engulfing candle forming on the daily. And the weekly for that matter, I'm sure. Yeah, it just surprises me because I wasn't trying to mean anything about, oh yeah, you're not crushing enough trades or whatever. Y'all doing awesome learning. It's not the crew. And it's over to 202. I spelled it wrong. It's just surprising that that's the only people watching. You'd think there would be more new people being like, holy shit, that chart just went 100% one day. You know? But there's not. Careful of FOMO, though. Careful of FOMO and stuff. If it holds 2, it's all good. I haven't even looked at the indicators. Yeah, I mean, overall, that's the thing. It's like, it kind of doesn't really matter where it closes the day right now. It's heading to this $5 target. It can go red tomorrow and it's still heading to this $5 target. That's the point. It's just crazy that people want to bag hold awful charts like Tesla right now and stuff. They're literally, Matt Kors is going bullish on Tesla from $1,000 or something. I'm talking about it last week. It's on his watch list. His watch list sucks, so people are getting wrecked. They don't even know it's about to hit. We got, it's on our bearish list. Barely holding 900. It already fell through 895. It's screwed. That's basically the nail in the coffin on Tesla for now. So it blows my mind that coconuts are willing to bag hold stupid shit like that without even looking at paying any relevance to the chart. When we're pillaging things at the all-time low, like they're panic selling Met and T-Cat and Riot and Nikola to buy Tesla. They're selling their Lucid to buy Tesla, right? That's fucking stupid. The better trade is selling Tesla to buy Lucid. Oh yeah, well that guy's sponsored by Subway. You know why Trades always talks about Subway and eats Subway sandwiches? Because he's fucking sponsored by them and they pay him a lot of money. He's the new Jared and he'll probably go down like the old Jared for some scandal. House tag paper rounds. People are saying that Tesla is a good hedge against a crash. Dude, that's wild. Tesla literally makes up the S&P. It's the fucking top 7. That makes up a huge chunk of the S&P is Tesla. Apple, Microsoft, this is the S&P, this is the market. If Apple crashes, the market crashes because there's fucking $2.5 billion in Apple. Or trillion, excuse me. Yeah, that didn't sound right. Trillion. There we are. That's how absurd it is. That's if robot. See, it's 2,000 billion. Where there's 2 trillion. Fucking stupid market caps, guys. Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Tesla. There it is, number 7. It is the S&P, it is the market. If Tesla and Nvidia crash, so does the rest of the market with JP Morgan. I can't wait. See one in Tesla puts? We're bearish on Tesla from $1,007. Now it's 900. Started down like 10%. I wonder if anyone's in the puts. We're bearish on Tesla. I want it to go down. Why not? Whatever. It can't go right to can't go to Pluto all in 1 year. It needs to cool off. Coconuts need to get wrecked. I was telling you about somebody I know through the grapevine who apparently bought Tesla last year at 300. He sold a little bit at 900. It's like, take all the profit. I would sell all of it at 900 personally. Take all those profits, but he has no idea what he's doing, so he's still probably gonna lose money on it. At the end of the day, he's gonna hold the rest of it and it's gonna crash and he's still gonna lose money. Like, there's nothing safe about Tesla. That's one of the dumbest things I've ever heard. Let's get some pirate flags in the chat. Let's go. It's time. It's time. Bring it on. All year long, building up to this shit. Let's see the market crash. Let's go. I think we already are. That's the point. Under $1,000, it's already rolling over. Everything about it's bearish on the chart. We got bearish MACD crossover right now. As of today. Major long-term development on the Tesla chart. Today. Bearish fucking crossover. See chains still ripping. 208 now, right through 2. I'll see you at $5. Boom. I don't know. Like, what can I do? I can't press the button for you. I can't fire the cannons for you. Get on the fucking can. Where's that dry powder? Everyone should have dry powder ready to go Monday morning. That's what I've been saying every week for 2 months, 3 months. Yeah, dry powder ready to go Monday morning. Boom, seat change, breakout from $2. Yeah, or earlier to any time all day long. Probably going to see it on the top of our list for the rest of the week. Otherwise, hot bevy buffet, which is awesome in its own right. But yeah, it's hard because there's so many. It's weird. It's a good problem to have. Problem to have. It's hard in its own right, this hot beverage buffet. We got so many hot bevies. I don't know if we just drink out of this one, drink them both at the same time. It's hard to pick and choose right now. So your best shot at hitting the long-term targets on one of these banger diamond handers, hot bevies. The one that you feel most confident about, your strongest conviction. That's gonna help get you to the promised land. That means you're not gonna doubt it next week. You're not gonna change your mind next month. You're gonna stick to the plan because you feel bullish and comfortable about it. The due diligence, the long-term fundamentals. That's how you'll get to those big targets. Otherwise, if you're just entering hot bevies that you don't feel too strongly about either way, then you might change your mind. Yeah, exactly. Well, whiskey, that's what I'm talking. Yeah, what if bad news comes out? Exactly. So, Ding Dong could get hit with some bad news tomorrow. Yeah, we keep trusting the charts and ignoring the news, essentially, dude. Yeah, at this point in the cycle, I know it's hard to break free from that mindset. I know. Ask Powderhound about that, guys. Powderhound used to be more fundamental trader based off the news cycles. He doesn't do that anymore. He doesn't listen to the news. He's learning how to chart, and he says that charts are way fucking better. He has like 30 years of investing experience. At this point in time, yeah, man, because the news is designed to make you fail right now. Are you have you heard? Tell me some good news. Is there any good news right now? Let's see. Stock market. I'm just searching stock market news. Hangul. Stock sink amid virus concerns. Investors are talking about the Federal Reserve, which isn't good. Stocks, oil prices fall. Monday's shaping up to be an ugly one for the stock market this Christmas. This shit's designed to make you fail, bro. It's 5 things that CNBC wants you to know before Monday. Who cares what they say? They don't know shit about the markets. They're trying to trick people. They always do. It's all part of the game, yo. It's all part of the game. Stream disconnect. That's all part of the hedgies game. If valid bad news comes out this week, it's probably gonna seal the deal on the S&P and Tesla. Some of them are gonna get obliterated. That could send Tesla down under $500. They're trying to crush it. They're gonna crush it. They want this shit to go down. They're gonna keep talking about market FUD, making everyone panic until it does go down. Here's how you protect against it. You either hedge against it or VXX. VXX hedge. SQQQ hedge. We're looking at that this morning. Or or undervalued hot heavy charts, accumulating when everyone else is panic selling. So let's say you like Tesla. Alright, great. So do I. I'm not gonna pay $900 fucking for it. After everyone panic sells it and it crashes, then I'll buy some, potentially. Market can crash and our charts can hold up and go green anyway. Market can crash and this happens anyway. So it look like a market crash is affecting this right now. Here's all our favorite charts. We compared the similarities this morning. 250% in like 4 days. Does this look like it cares about market crash? The sea change look like it cares about market crash? Happy trading. We're gonna take a short coffee break. I'm out of coffee. We got hot bevies all over our charts. I need some more in my cup. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. Happy Monday as well. What a Monday. What a week last week. That's the thing. It's kind of, we're continuing fresh off from last week, pretty much, right where we left off on all these things. We're getting the bottom barrel entries bouncing. We're getting other ones are still putting it in, still developing. These other ones see change. And that other one, okay. Galley Therapeutics or whatnot. It's fucking mooning anyway. These trades are lit anyway. Forget the market crash. What market crash? It's only certain things are gonna crash. Other things are gonna go on a bull run. Ding dong already crashed. Just looking to bounce now. Closing the day over $2. See change. Gonna set it up strong for the morning. Asia Broadband still ripping 17%. Oh, well, fuck. We called that one this morning too. Asia Broadband's lit off the cryptocurrency exchange news. They're gonna be putting out a crypto exchange next week. How far is it gonna go? This thing could double in value this week. 40 cents, 50 cents. There's your green. It's not that hard to find green charts right now. What market crash? I'm seeing a lot of green on my charts. Coffee break. Sundial's lit, King's #1 stunner. Our pirates have been accumulating sundial for a long time. Sticking to the plan always. Sundial's so lit that we all have a whole discussion section about it on Discord. Right under AMC and GameStop. Is there a sundial discussion? Safe Moon still around, betas. Hey Asia, Broadband is gonna have a nice strong week ahead. Going into that crypto launch. Crypto exchange launch. Your screen charts are right. Hey, this looks like all our other charts. How many times have we seen that? Let's get some sevens in the chat.
777.
Get in the crows. We gotta find more beggars. Like, we could have spotted this last week. See, markets are lit right now secretly. These are good trading conditions secretly. For those who know. Let's see, I bet I can pull up one of our charts that looks almost identical to this. Perhaps Metin. It's a little more harsh on Metin even. Close enough. Just done. Do this. This. And do this. All of a sudden they look identical. Let's fucking go. Man. Green alert. You see? Metin's about to go to $4 by the looks of it. There's our target. Evil Toro's foaming out the mouth. He's trying to go bearish on sofa. Probably. If you were gonna do it, you could try right now and see if it holds under 12. If you're quick on it, go for $12 resistance on it. It's 11. 12.10. The closing the day under 12 would be ugly. I'll check it out for you. But the point is, those charts are identical. And this thing just hit that same target from where the downtrend started, right? Where all this began back here. Where all this began on Metin right here. That's the target on Metin. 25 cents to $4. Nathan's already looking for puts. Said there's none of that. C-Change is winning the battle at $2. I think somebody entered that earlier. We have at least one pirate going for this tomorrow. Just the end of the week. Forget tomorrow. $5 target. Tomorrow, next week, next month. Grayscale jumping. No, that wasn't me. I don't have the dry powder yet. I don't think. I'm gonna check. Thanks for reminding me, Grizzly Giant. See if Captain's got that dry powder ready to go. I'm waiting on transfers and shit, so I'm stuck here just locked up too. I want to buy the dips too. I can at the moment, so I have to be patient on it. That's gonna make the premium interesting though. Bitcoin's been green today, Litecoin's been green. $9.99. But yeah, the premium has dropped, has starting to just a little bit. There's a premium on the day. So at one point this was up at 27, it's coming down. Or the discount even, to say that, the discount, that's a better way to think of it. On short, 27% discount this morning, now we're at 26. With the hot bevy down here, so the hot bevy bounce. We're looking at a hot bevy bounce on it. On a premium chart. I'll make it clear when I fire some cannons that as long as it's under $15, I'll be making that entry. It's 10:09 now. Yeah, it really keeps staying above.
Sorry
10.
to ask, Cap, but can you look at DRNA for me? 777. Pirate flag.
What are you sorry for? Thanks, Elliottician. This thing continuously staying above 10. People are continuously buying the dip on it, so yeah, we could be running out of time on that. I'm not gonna hesitate. As soon as I got my dry powder, I'll be firing it. That's the whole point of planning it. It's a weekly candle. All-time high. Get them back to you. Yeah. I'm thinking you can get a quickie out of it. Strong area of resistance from the all-time high. I'm not looking at a crash like this. More of a bearish scalp potentially. Going for this gap fill target. Alright. I was planning to play chill music today, so I'm sure that. Yeah, I'm looking at this gap target Elliottician under 30. The end of the week. Our size melting. On the 4 hour. The daily is a bearish crossover. The indicators say it should go down. The odds are in your favor. It's 100% complete from the bottom. I think you got it, Elliottician. That's a good spot. Good snipe. Alright, sounds good. I'll leave it open for the close out of curiosity. See how that finishes the day. I don't got the dry powder yet. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, so you're really just looking at this target to finish it off. 25%. Maybe by the end of the week though. Go, I know you're thinking a quickie, but go for like January there. Give it enough time to stay flat for the rest of this week and then potentially open next week. Something like that. You don't want it to stay flat and then you don't have enough time on your expiries. Give it a bit extra time there than you normally would. Normally that would be a day trade or something, but maybe by the end of the month, you know. Oh, okay, 1 to 2 months. Yeah, that should be plenty of time. It could hit that target by Friday. Who's gonna take those odds? Alright, man. I'm gonna do some sevens. Remind me about it next week or whatnot. If you're still in it. Next month, even. VXX been turning green all day. I I trust it there, dude. And the VXX is showing us what the S&P is looking like. Oh, we got 7 minutes to see change trying to end the day with a bang. Asia Broadband all the way at 22 cents. And Grayscale's over 10. Oh shit. We're running out of time, pirates. Get the treasure while you still can. Oh, go. They're changing pretty good. Well, a lot of them just continuing from this morning, but we're getting some more decisiveness in the very end of the day here. So Asia Broadband finishing the day 20%. Thermogenesis been crushing all day as well. THMO. This hot bevy bounce action. Not our main chart for it, but nice and simple, just like fucking those other charts are, just like Metin, Camber Energy. Boom. It's not always irrelevant when a stock goes 10% green in a day, but when it's 10% from the all-time low like that, we got naked hope. Pirates are getting naked. What's going on? 50-cent bounce. A paper head's folded. Let's go. It's revealing its true color. Oh, the FOMO's real. Let's go, Litecoin 1030. We're out of our buy box. We touched the buy box on NAKD for a second, for a day. Look how we just grazed the buy box. That was booming. It wants to go to dollars. Let's try and go to dollar for 3 months. Is our hot heavy buy box?
Hot beverage.
It's pretty epic. I have to get epic end of day music going. Well, the thing is, Naked's been having good news all year long. There's reason to be confident about that one. We're getting some more green flashes. Lots of those been green all day, all week last week. So those really aren't a surprise. Wait for any end of day surprises. Overall, you can say they're pretty on track. On track. TRK. And it's beautiful because most of those green ones are lower than they should be. Most of these are undervalued on our charts. And they're strong today. It's awesome. HT's even holding over 10 there. Yeah, HT go! HT babe? Maybe one day. Sean Connery might be saying that one day. So he's usually watching every day. He hasn't been in a chat for a week or two. People are trying to just ride out the storm right now. We got 30 seconds, or a couple battles, NAKD 50-cent battle. Let's see what it can do. We're at 0.495. That's right there. You can do it, nigga. It doesn't need to do it, but it can do it. This is the 50-cent line. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Just under. But it's over after hours already. It's already over 50. Very cool. Oh, what was that? I didn't hear nothing. We're gonna go straight into crypto. C-Change crushed it 210, ending with a bang. The pumper today. The pump of the day. $5 target if you're in it. 2 to 5. It's over 100%. Still, looks of it. It's a swing. Galera Therapeutics been bullish here, but it's looking too late for that. No one should be FOMOing in that. Asia Broadband, fucking badass. It is, because we've been on top of this one for a while. For a good minute, pretty much starting it 6 months ago. That's when we first took a look at it, it was months ago. I like what it's been doing here. They got the cryptocurrency exchange coming out soon. Next week. They're gonna have a crypto exchange like Coinbase, like crypto.com, like Binance. That's exactly what it needs to pump it 100%. Okay, you feel that we get some awesome trading day? Yeah, it really was. Look at all the over 10% charts we have. Easily over 10%. Oh, hey, Freddy Gonzalez, what's up, bro? That's awesome. Shout out to Freddy. Let's give him some savage in the chat. He's joining the crew. That's my friend from town I was talking about earlier. I saw him on the break. And he's getting excited about pillaging crypto. We're about to dive into just wrapping up the market day. Don't be surprised to see any of these big movers on the top of the list for the rest of the week. The Quested has been on a bull run for a while. This hasn't changed in 6 months on a Quested therapy. Every once in a while, a casual name in the chat will ask about this one. It's never changed. It's been on a run for a while now. AQSD. But the targets aren't as big as some of our others, so that's the catch-22. Yeah, it's been on fire, but you're looking at 150% target, not 500%, nothing like that. I've been keeping BBI on the radar, breakout biotech, because I like what it's been doing. It did have a red opening. Yeah, that was all today. So it opened the day with a hammer, but exactly, that could have been the last straw, that perfect bottom we were looking for, right in the middle of our cup. Hope you're thirsty.
Hot beverage.
Save some for crypto. Save some cannonballs for crypto. There's good entries on crypto too. You don't want to blow all your dry powder on the stocks per se. Just saying. Remember the fine balance. Save some for this. The middle. The core hold. The thing that's gonna carry your portfolio for years to come. If you do it right. Alright, let's dive into it, because we got... What can I say about the markets really with the S&P? We're waiting for it to come down. Dollar's been trending up for all year long. S&P is finally about ready to roll over. I'm excited for it. Looks like it closed quite red today, quite bearish on the day. So we're looking at a bearish week on the S&P. And it could end pretty brutal for some things like Tesla. Tesla can end a week $100 lower. Tesla could end the week $800, not $900. It's happening. This stuff's starting for real now. We're getting it playing out on this chart. So traders are seeing how topped out this is looking, and it's causing market panic. Something's about to get wrecked. We can take advantage of that with our bearish charts. Also, VXX, which closed nice and green. It was up to 24 this morning. Good stuff. And crypto, Bitcoin's over 47. It appears we're finally getting a bit more decisiveness from Bitcoin itself, the king of crypto, along with our stocks. So what I'm noticing here, watching, is this short-term development of a simple resistance. Like so. Okay, be careful, because most beginners, they gotta draw this like this, and then it's already inaccurate. Here's what coconuts are looking at. It's more like this right now. still short-term bullish on Bitcoin. It just hasn't moved much for a week. There's so line. What's going on with Home Depot? Hold the phone. We have an emergency at Home Depot. Nothing to worry about was under 400. Any chance they'll hit 395 before? Yeah. Yeah, it could. Is that your strike on it? Home Depot can do this and break down all the way up to 405 area, over 400. One more time. It just took a lot of damage, so it's having a bit of a relief bounce. Oh, okay, I see. He's looking for entries. Cool, cool. Yeah. It's a major development that we broke down from 400, underneath 400. It's getting some buyers on this short-term support here, they're playing the bounce. They're traders trading it for a living. Really, you have Home Depot lovers who are fucking. They're Home Depot lovers who only trade Home Depot chart all day, every day, because they have a feel for how it behaves or whatnot. So they're playing this bounce here. It looks like it's gonna have a bounce short term there, a couple percent back up to 400 and then go down. So yeah, it's probably gonna test that 400 one more time. We should look at the dollar again real quick, because it hasn't moved today, but now it's after hours. Crypto's making it move more. Is the dollar making crypto move, or is crypto making the dollar move right now? Let's check our total market cap chart. Yeah, it's been developing nicely. So, alright, Bitcoin looks fairly short-term bullish here. We had to assume that regardless, but now it's starting to look more that way, looking more ready. There were some nice crossovers as well on the MACD on a bunch of these charts. Here's on the daily, we got a daily bullish crossover on BTC. Happened yesterday, Sunday. So make sure you watch that members update video if you haven't seen it yet. This is the kind of stuff that I cover every weekend. Major developments like that happened over the weekend, so just talking about that. Not everyone's watching it. I mean, everyone is in the members. I know not everyone's going to, but damn, if you're trying to really keep up with it all, you basically just watch those videos every week and have a good idea what's going on. So I highly recommend it. It's not just Bitcoin. doesn't have a bullish crossover on grayscale Litecoin. Not quite on the daily. I think Litecoin itself has one on the daily though. 155. Oh shit. Are you ready? I hope you got the LTCN dittage if you were trying to. If you've been waiting for that under 10 entry, we got it. It's probably not going to stay down there long. Litecoin's having a bullish crossover on the daily. And it's pushing through 150. So our discount on the premium's getting stupid. It's getting ridiculous. It's getting ludicrous. The discount's major. It's getting bigger and bigger every dollar that Litecoin goes up. The discount doesn't make sense. So there's literally no reason for it to be under $10. We crunched the number earlier, it should be closer to $14 right now. It's closed the day at 10. So that shit can go straight to 14 first thing in the morning. We might get a breakout here before we know it. That would be up at 177.
777.
Apparently. According to the chart, we're waiting for a 177 breakout. I like going. Now the support's down at 140 area, so we're already pushing up from 140, heading up to that direction. This can happen overnight with that bullish cross. It might not take that long. We're getting these developments on the technicals. We're just waiting for that price action to catch up. And the total market cap's been healthy here. It is trending up still in this range. So there's altcoins plus Bitcoin. So, right, so we have some nice short-term price action going on Bitcoin here. I'm liking what it's doing right now. That's why we're gonna be live for another. I don't even know. I haven't decided. We'll see. Hour and a half. I want to do some damage on his altcoin trips. Because we might be running out of time. We'll put in some overtime after our lunch break today. Yeah, naked swabby. Get back to swabbing. I'm just kidding, man. No, you're always super fun on the voice chat. Not at all. Said sorry if I was annoying on the voice chat party. Because he was drinking, celebrating. What was he celebrating? Our fucking crew's mindset. I'll forgive you for that. Balancer's still been crushing it. So Bitcoin short-term bullish. What gives us more confidence about that is the total market cap, with altcoins and Bitcoin also being short-term bullish. Like that's developing. I can pop soon. Third time's the charm. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So this might happen right now. more decisive move on it. It would be great if we got a dollar dip for that exact reason. Dollar could start dipping more here, finish off the day after hours. Hit back. There, Gary's still hanging in there. Good job. Oh, the new Pirates just started trading a few weeks ago. He was here this morning. No one fell overboard. Awesome. Free thinking. Not bored enough? How did that scalp go? Let's check. He was looking at crypto.com earlier, I remember. That's how we started the day. Let's see if it went down. So it didn't look ready. It's going bullish with Bitcoin. They're all going bullish. Nice. Did you get in on it? They're going green with Bitcoin. That's what you needed on it. Still under the resistance though, if you're trying to be more conservative here. A bit more time there. So you were really bullish on it. I'm not bullish on it. I think you're just scalping it this morning. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Just a day trade. Alright, cool. I got that worked out. It looks like it finished the day strong with Bitcoin there. Trending up. So that's gonna confuse people too, because fucking... Alright, there's a bunch of questions earlier about certain altcoins that might take damage. Just because Shiba is bouncing today doesn't mean it's gonna make you money. There's nothing developing here. There's not a breakout. There's nothing important on Shiba. But again, you can trade it with the rest of the crypto cycles. So if the rest of the altcoins start crushing it, this can go too. Otherwise, it's stuck under the resistance. And it could fall a lot. Still. When you see it from the right angle, the right perspective. I had to go on the logarithmic chart, go on the long-term chart, scale it accordingly. Understand that it just went 12x back here, so it's probably not going to go another 1000% anytime soon. But it might develop more bullishly here. It still has a chance to go with the rest of the altcoins. With Bitcoin, if Bitcoin starts crushing 50,000, it's going to recover and continue onwards and upwards. So that's what's all being hashed out right now. That's what's cool about it. It's getting me excited because we're actually seeing some things, some critical areas, some developments. Pretty much every day we've been looking at crypto all month. There's not been anything major going on. Certain coins have been coming down from the highs. Other ones have been going up from the bottoms. Look, some of these are still bearish as fuck. Careful. Uniswap. I wouldn't touch Uniswap right now. Now $4. doesn't matter if it goes green today or whatever. Some of these are just simply overvalued. They already went on bull runs this year, last year. It's the same thing with our stocks. These are the Teslas, the S&P of the cryptos. Uniswap, Binance from 600, it's 525. Double top, Binance coin. Ethereum from 4,000. That's just as topped out as those other ones. It could take major damage, but will it? Well, I predict that Ethereum is gonna follow Bitcoin here, so Ethereum kind of runs parallel to Bitcoin at the moment. So when you're talking about Ethereum, you're basically talking about Bitcoin, since there's so much money in both of them. Cardano down to $1. Yeah, I still don't like it. I don't like Cardano at $1. I don't. People are seeing this. Our crew took profits at $3, literally the top up there. Naked Swabby, didn't you sell for profits at $3? He's in the chat right now. Proof's in the pudding. Some of the crew sold Cardano at $3. Now it's a fucking $1. That was our target. So here's what's tricky. You see it down here at $1 and you think, alright, sweet, that's a nice entry. I still wouldn't touch it. This isn't a full chart. Here's Cardano. Here's our real chart. Why would you go long on something that's at the moon already? Don't get me wrong, people got rich off it. Too late. Yeah, I missed it. We better keep scouting out some fire entries, guys, so we can get those 100xers for next year. You missed it on Cardano, forget Cardano. What Cardano? Let's get the hot bevies. Dash Day, Balancer. Balancer been putting in good from 15 stop hunt.
Hot beverage.
I'll take the ones on the bottom looking to go up and go green. Thank you very much. I'll stick to those ones. I wouldn't touch Cardano or Ethereum or Binance or Uniswap. Dick. Oh, did you really? Ah, nice. Well, thanks for stopping by. That sounds quite positive. Happy to hear that. Major life changes going on. Some of the pirates. It's been a job for like 30 years. Just retired from. So he's feeling happier than he has his whole life already. We're in the right direction. Easier to know when something will go up as compared to when it will drop. It might appear that way, because most of us are primarily bullish traders, so we are primarily looking at bullish charts. But how accurate have we been on the bear scalp? We have like a fucking 100% track record on our bear scalps. What? That's impossible. That's not gonna last forever. We're like 10 for 10 on our bear scalps right now, our bearish trades, alright? You can call the tops too. We did it on the AMC, we did it on GameStop, we just did it on Lucid at fucking 55. We've been calling the tops just as easy as the bottoms, but they take time to fully develop. We called that top on Lucid. We called that top on AMC. Called the top on GameStop. Multiple times, over and over and over again. It's very doable. It looks like we're catching the top on AutoZone at 2000. We caught the top on OCGN at 17. Anything over 15 was getting absurd, so it had to come down. It's gone up 100x this year. We called it top on Microvision and Palantir. You know what? For that matter, I could go on and on listing examples, but last but not least, we called the fucking top on Bitcoin here and here 6 months ago, the beginning of the year or whatnot. We called both those tops on Bitcoin there as well. Don't forget that one. With the gigantic head and shoulders. If you want to call the top on Bitcoin, yeah, you can definitely call the tops on stuff. Trade them both ways. We're more accurate at calling the tops than we are the bottoms, honestly. We've been crushing the tops, the bearish trades, the profit taking levels, the targets. I mean, it's all in the art. It all goes hand in hand. Tesla closed at $8.99. How about that? Calling the top on fucking Tesla. $8.99 close. And you can potentially trade them bearishly, or just be aware of that and be patient, wait for the right entry opportunities or whatnot. Called the top on Shiba, Cardano. I mean, it's not about calling the tops right now, though. There's no point to I mean, for the bears, yeah, but for the bulls, we're not even talking about targets really. So that's why I was showing you the 177 breakout on Litecoin here, because I can send it mooning. Dash getting a perfect bounce. Look how perfect though. Look at that bounce on Dash holding the support or buy box at 122 on the fucking dot. Strike it. Well, people don't look for it, Headstock. Tell you the truth, man. People don't look for the tops. They're fucking moon boys. They don't care about the tops. They think everything's gonna go to the moon forever on everything. That's the reality of the situation. They don't even look for the bottoms either. This is what most people do. They're absolutely clueless and they sit there watching. And they go, oh, I like Dash, so cool, Dash been crushing it. I think I'll FOMO in up here. Without thinking about tops. I think, oh, it's gonna go to $1 million. There's no way it'll ever go down. You know how many times I hear that shit? Way too many. It's down. It went down. It's time to go up. Yeah, that's you, House Daddy Big Hands. I'm sure that's where you got your name. We're gonna fix that. Here's a good rule of thumb. Don't buy anything that went 50x this year. There's too many other good ones. It doesn't make any sense. The value proposition is not there. If somebody got rich off it already, think about Ethereum, how everyone loves Ethereum. I like it too, but not enough to get bent over with. That's the word of the day, it just is. AMD, we don't have time for that. You can ask me on Discord though. I'll show you Discord. Yeah, there you go, House Pepper Hand. It said I'm starting to see it now, so just like Nvidia, exactly. If people got rich off it already, you're not going to. That's your rule of thumb, alright? If people got rich off it already, you're not going to. Have people got rich off Balancer? No. maybe. Not like that though. Most of the exchanges are bottomed out at like $7. I haven't even found an exchange yet that has a lower bottom out balancer. Maybe it's been around on one of these older exchanges for longer, but as far as I can find so far on balancer, all the charts have a bottom down here. So has anyone got rich off this yet? No. It's only started its life cycle, going 500%, came back down, consolidating, riding the waves. But there you go, balancer went 500% last year. That's pretty good. That's what it can do next year. Go back up to that all-time high area, $100 area. That's our target on it now, really. From 20 to 100, essentially. Is really all you need to see on balancer here. So if people haven't got rich off it, you might actually be able to, because it's still early on in the life cycle on it. You're not gonna get rich off shit like sand. Too many people already did. We should have just been long sand all year. No, fucking not. 1000x. From the bottom. $100,000% on an altcoin. Why is it probably not gonna go too much higher than that? Because people are gonna sell it and take profits. They got rich off it. If you were up that much, wouldn't you sell it too? What goes up must come down. I wouldn't touch that shit. It's so late on stuff like that. I can't believe people are still FOMOing into that stuff. Hey Freddy, let's go. He's looking for some bottom barrel entries, so alright. I'm gonna show you a few good ones. Just so we're all on the same page. I just showed you all the warning signs similar to the stock market. You gotta be careful about those ones. You still have overvalued and undervalued altcoins. Alright, here's ones that were essentially given the green light on for entries. Starting with a grayscale icon. Oh yeah. We gotta throw it in there. Elliottician. So we're bullish on Litecoin by nature, we're bullish on grayscale Litecoin. Make sure we're all on the same page. So that brings me to my next point, we're bullish on Litecoin. It's one of the top 3 most popular cryptos that's always existed, right alongside Ethereum and Bitcoin. You got Litecoin. So So these are the ones, if you like these projects, well, if you don't know what they are, do your research, read about them a bit, and you might like them. They're pretty cool. vechain. Bullish on vechain. Not only that, it is a long-term bull run here, so anything 10 cents was always our accumulation on it. It's down at 8 cents. It was up to 30 cents earlier this year, by the way. A lot of these had major runs already earlier this year, and they got the hammer. So that's why we're looking at these for valid entry. I'm giving the green light on vechain because it's down 70+% from April, May. That's your hot bevy on it. It might not get any better than that. We might not get a better entry than that, alright? We can't be too greedy with it. No hesitation on accumulation, so vechain, by nature, Vethor, holding the giant magic triangle, no problem, sir. It's all at major targets. Balancer. Why is Balancer lit? Because we got that bear trap a couple of days ago. Under 15 in the real hot bevy zone in green there. Already bouncing strong. Crushing through 20. This whole zone's accumulation down here under 20 on Balancer. Here's what it did 6 months ago. That's what we're going for next year. And if everything goes nice and smooth, we'll get beyond that. We'll go to an even higher level, new all-time high up there. Chainlink under 20. Long-term bull run, holding the support line nice and steady. So under 20, that's our accumulation mark on Chainlink. Dash, we already kind of went through that one. Keep an eye on it because the big targets. Really big target. Accumulation under 200. Our number's 200 on that. It's 125 area. That's a nice entry on it. Now that's at the bottom of our accumulation zone. Nano under 5. Holy shit. What? Alright, there's why. Holy shit. This is why I'm so live right now. X marks the spot on Nano right there. This is a make it or break it spot on Nano. If you remember the last time we looked at it, was up here, and I was saying there's a lot of confluence right here. I wonder what's gonna happen at that X. It's right on the X. What? It's either about to fall right through or have an epic bounce. Go right back up to $5 and beyond. So yeah, I'm giving it the green light for accumulation on Nano, even though it's not as low as we would really like it. If it got to $2, $1, I'm in. 3 is not as hot as I'd like it, but under 5 is good on Nano. So that's a major critical spot on it right there with the X, the intersection of all our trendline. That's the only important spot on this whole chart right now. They're sorting it out. We're gonna know, it looks like, by the end of the year, within a week, or end of the week, next week. I think we're gonna have a way bigger move here on some of these things. Nano start blasting through 5s real soon, or it gets that real hot bevy. Either way, it's looking to happen sooner rather than later, because it's there. It's at the critical spot. I'm trying to sort it out, battle it out right now. So that's either gonna hold and go big, or a hot bevy and then go big. Can't wait to find out. I'm gonna set an alert on it, even if we're not live at the time. I want to know about that. If this triggers overnight, I want to know about. I wake up in the morning with an alert trigger. I might fire some cannons at Denwo. Let's check Litecoin. Also a pretty important level on Litecoin. That's still figuring it out right now as well. It's either about to fall right through and have a major hot bevy, or it's just gonna bounce huge right now. Any minute, any day. And remember, crypto's been maintaining pretty good health right now. Bitcoin's in dangerous territory, but it's not in hot water at the moment, really. Really, the big takeaway is that our total market cap charts looking fairly bullish here still. Is the whole amount of money in crypto. It's only a problem if it's under this line, under 2 trillion. While we're over that line, we gotta be bullish on our altcoins. Let's check the altcoins themselves. Altcoins themselves have a bullish projection here that's holding, that's on track. So what does that mean? If we have to assume bullishness here and it just is developing and it's about to break out or whatnot. So again, it's all the money in altcoins right now. Not even Bitcoin, just the altcoin. This could break out any day. If that happens, there goes the hot bevies. No more hot bevies. They're all gonna be mooning all of a sudden, alright? So we might be staring right in the face of a giant bull run. Some of them aren't ready. I don't like them yet for entries, but Steam down here I do. Steam under 50 cents, but it's high risk, high reward, STEM. It's at 41, like under 50. ICP, definitely, all-time low. It shouldn't be down there, so there's just no hype over it. That's all I can chalk it up to. We're gonna have to really redo this whole chart, because that's all somewhat irrelevant right now. Alright, let's just get it over with. Pull off the band-aid. We're gonna redo this chart. Alright, we'll save it for it. We're gonna take a short break, then we'll chart this a bit better on ICP. Because we haven't even been watching it for a long time. But I haven't forgotten about it. I know it's hot right now. We're still waiting on it. So accumulation is the trend line that's important on it right now. Jasmine. Oh boy, it's under 8 though. That was the important level we were watching. That makes it good for accumulating though. Not good for the holders, but good for people accumulating. These prices on Jasmine from 5 cents to 8 cents basically. This range. But this whole area, in the grand scheme of things, that whole zone on Jasmine, it's gonna be our accumulation targets up here. Alright, cool. Let's take a short intermission. I'll be live for a while longer. If there's any type in the chat, let's get some sevens in the chat.
777.
Probably 30, 45 more minutes. As long as it takes to get the job done. Once we feel like we figured it all out, then I'll feel better. So let's take our last break, crush the charts for a while longer, and then we'll start fresh in the morning. Cause it's gonna be an epic week one way or another. There's a lot going on in crypto too. Thanks everyone, hope you're having a great day. We're almost through the storm. Got 10 days left till New Year. We're almost there. If we only have 10 days left to pillage the dips, oh man. I hope we have more than 10 days to pillage that dips. Oh fuck. Everything breaks out in 10 days. We better make the most of it while we can. Cool, cool. We can check after hours now too. Jumping back under that chart. That was a great day. Hey Felipe. Yeah, you know, Bitcoin is looking quite bullish short term here actually. When will it break? It's developing right now. It's been trending up steadily throughout the day. See, we're being patient, waiting for the dollar to lose some value here. When the dollar goes down, crypto goes up. That's what's happening right now. So based on what the dollar value is doing right now, you can anticipate Bitcoin's gonna stay green. And we can get that move over 50,000. Candle close, the daily candle close on the dollars in 2 hours. So that's 2 hours to trend down for crypto to trend up. And remember, there are bullish crossovers as well going on Bitcoin right now, the 4 hour to start. And it is on the daily. A bullish crossover on the daily. Ghost fire. Go get him. They're not even gonna know what hit it. Alright, we ran through a bunch of the nice altcoin entry. That's what it was about. Bitcoin pops through 50k here, our altcoins are gonna be lit. So I'm not sure how much time we're gonna have to pillage these altcoins if Bitcoin is bullish here. Bear force. Thanks for thinking. What's going on? Courtesan? Let's take a peek at the after hours as well.
CRTX is so juicy looking with a really high target. Over 100 according to my poor technical understanding.
Do you mean over $100 or 100%? I'll double check that target for you. I'm looking for after hours movement. Mullen. Okay, Mullen's way lower than it even should be. That's gonna take till next year. Sonim. Not bad. What's on them here after hitting the all-time low today? And then the day fairly strong. Beamy from the buy box. Metacrine. Okay, so Metacrine's green and Metacrine's similar to Courtesan. Ooh, these gap filled targets. Here's the gap filled target on Metacrine way up there. Family, naked, cool power bridge. Pavel. Mine mid. Oh yeah, a lot of green from the hot bevy. Sundial. Asia Broadband continuation. Let's double check our Courtesan target. There's the hot heavy bounce. So far so good. That looks pretty much as good as it possibly could right now, because we have this falling wedge breakout. So this is a breakout and a retest of the support. And we're getting that continuation. So it is on track. We aim for this target still. Alright, free ticket. We're going for up here at $50 area. Not necessarily 100. You're looking at the old all-time high, so that's good thinking. That's free thinking. You're thinking it could fly to the old all-time high. And yeah, it potentially can, but we need to be reasonable about it. So we need to put our resistance here from the downtrend. We can't ignore that. That's as high as I expect it to go. 77. So there you go, magic number target.
777.
It's more about how it develops once it gets up there, because usually there's a lot of unknowns still. It can hit this gap fill target right here at 55, so that's what we're really going for. It's just right there. That's the real main target on it. Okay, so when it were to hit 55, you'd have to lock in some profits, but potentially you could hold the rest for 77. You don't hold it all for 77. Because it can hit 55 here and then go right back down. That's what CCXI did. Chemocentrics did that. We hit the target and now it's been going down bearish. So it didn't go up to the all-time high area. It might one day. But that's similar to this here, so alright. Yeah, that's gonna be a nice target already. We like these charts down here where our first target like so. We wanna see 300%. That's good. 300% is a great trade. If we can get 500% out of it, even better. See how you can potentially get more out of that, depending how it goes. So we're just aiming for this. That's a great 300% target for now. So that goes for TAL and Grayscale Litecoin. Will TAL hit the old all-time high? Maybe, maybe not. It doesn't need to for us to crush big profits out of it. We can go up to this resistance area without going to an all-time high, so we don't need any miracle all-time high bull run on it. $12x, that's that number. And Neighbor James is back. Hey man. Yeah, just Revenant. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We took a lunch break, so I figured I'd give it an extra hour today. Make up for our time we took off this afternoon talking about crypto. Now you get all my attention. When normal people are on vacation, we're in the Matrix. So we don't need to go to the all-time high on TAL to crush huge profits. Even if it just closes the gap here on the short-term target. Yeah, it's gonna be 400%, so beautiful. We wanna see 400% on our first target. And then we have bigger targets after that. So similar to Grayscale Litecoin back on crypto. We don't need, will it go to the all-time high? Maybe. Maybe not. We don't need it to crush some huge fucking targets. It can only go halfway and it'll be 10x. So it's at $10. If it goes 10x, that's $100. That puts it down here. It's laughable. That puts it right there. I can do that piece of fucking cake. I can do that in its sleep. See, we might get 10x targets out of this thing, no problem at all. That's quite reasonable. People thought that was the bottom back here. Nope, this is Hey, it goes to $100, it'll be amazing at stock, right? 10x. Nothing wrong with 10x. I'm saying, hey, this thing can go 10x from 10 to 100. No fucking problem at all. That's hardly even it's anywhere close to the old all-time high. That would just be recovering from a hard sell-off back here. This whole area could be a giant bear trap on it when we look back on it, right? We might look back on this and be like, wow, anything under 100 was pretty good entries. This potential bear trap under $100, that whole area. So I'd be happy even if it went just up there to 100 because that's already 10x. Let's measure it again. Let's remind ourselves why we're buying the tip. Nice 900%. So I am on the log chart. It's a little funky, but it gives us a more accurate measurement. 50x. Yep. That really is 50x. I just had to remind myself. That's how big our target has become. It wasn't that big at $15. At $20, it wasn't even that big. Measured from 15. That's 30x, 3000%, not 50x. Damn. I gotta lower my cost average somewhere. Get my cost average down to $10. Fuck. 50x targets. Only from down there. So yeah, Litecoin's great and all. It's not 50x though. And neither is this unless we get that premium. We need Litecoin to go up and that premium to kick in. It's already happening on GXLM, stellar rumors. Even if Litecoin goes huge, it's not going to be 50x. Maybe 20, 10 or 20x. $3,000 area. I could see that, yeah. That's possible. I could see it hitting 1,000. That's my most bullish target I've had on it so far. Potentially 3. I want to double check. Maybe it is. We get a better idea if we crunch the market cap. First we'll laugh at the stupid ones. Spooky Shiba! Oh, in. Oh yeah. Mongoose. Oh man. That's funny. I don't know, it's a toss-up between King Shiba and Spooky Shiba. That's fucking stupid. So Mongoose, one of the news anchors made in Congress or something, or the SEC, I forget exactly. One of those people who knows nothing about crypto made fun of, oh, and next we're gonna see Mongoose coin. Yeah, it already is. You got Shiba coin, you got fucking Mongoose, you got Elon Doge Mars. Let's search Elon, see how many. Dogeon Mars, Doge talks of Elon, brother of Elon, Shiba Elon, Elon Gate, Elon Tech, Elon Balls. Oh, so you can invest in any part of his body apparently. No comment. Pokemon. Anyway, we always gotta laugh at that before we do anything. Rank 18. If we're in the top 50, we know it's got some popularity to it. Top 100, it's got some eyes on it. It's not generally gonna be a rug pull or a scam project if it's in the top 25. But that's not everything. Let's crunch the market cap. So we're at 10 billion. Alright. And I'm thinking, is it possible? So if it goes 10x from here, from 150, that would put it at 1,500. Now, can it go 20x though? Can it go to 3,000 in the long term up here? Similar to Ethereum last year. Ethereum had a move similar to that, from 100 to 4,000. So Ethereum just did last year. So can Litecoin do that ever? Well, okay, 10 billion market cap, so 100 times 10 would be 100 billion, times 20 would be 200 billion. 200 billion market cap, it can do that. Oh, damn. The total supply is already on the market as well. It looks like max supply, total supply. Maybe there's some locked up, not all of it circulating. So the question, if it can go 20x, the question is, can the market cap grow to 200 billion? I think it actually can, yeah. That's pretty wild, because let's check what's up there now. Okay, so that would put it between Binance and Ethereum currently. That would be half the size of where Ethereum is right now. Right now. Double the size of Binance right now. Litecoin's looking to stay around long term. It used to be right under there. It could work its way back up this list. It really could. Some of these could move down, like Solana and Cardano and Ripple. Litecoin could work its way higher. Dogecoin's dropping substantially. Dogecoin was like fucking number 5 when we first looked at it. Now it's number 12. Dogecoin's already fallen down the list. So yeah, Litecoin, it's not gonna go 20x right now in 1 week and catch up with Ethereum right now, but can it get there one day? Yeah, it can. It could be half the size of where Ethereum is today. Bitcoin would be bigger, Ethereum would be bigger, and Litecoin would be bigger. That doesn't mean anything for Ethereum. Ethereum can always stay bigger than Litecoin, but Litecoin can work its way higher up this market cap list. Definitely can. Especially, but we're talking over the long term, so it is on the table as possible. $3,000 Litecoin long-term target, 20x. Only from here, because it's not going to be the same from the all-time high. If somebody bought it at 400, that's not the same. They're only going to get 600% out of it, you see? We don't care about 600%. We don't FOMO in at the top at the all-time high. We want to get that fucking 20x from the hot Debbie. That's how you be a pirate. People dream about this kind of targets. I'm showing you how to actually get them. I got some stuff. Captain's got some stuff to show you. Come on into the captain's quarters. It's stormy out there. I found some artifacts. It is bonus stuff from over the weekend. If you've been hanging around all day, crushing the markets that it is for you. Alright. We'll start nice and soft. There's a Lucid maintenance station with not service station. I think it's in Arizona. That's pretty sleek. Looking good. Long-term bullish on Lucid. You're gonna be popping those up all over the country. That's pretty badass. Reasons to keep holding strong. Here's the overlords, the hedges. There's Captain. Standing up, tanking. I'm tanking. Round the boss. Around the buffs, I'm going in. There's you. You're all standing up with me. Together we're strong. And they'll bow down. We got these trades unlocked. There's Jim Cramer's watch list for the year. Jim Cramer's stock recommendations in 2021. 70%, 60%, 50%. That's what other people are trading. So the stock is completely overvalued, fundamentals non-existent, fighting short sellers daily, and on the brink of bankruptcy. I'll take 1,000 shares, please. I shouldn't be drinking coffee doing this. You're not alone. Everyone feels that way right now. That might be bot. The dip that's coming. If I recover from this trade, I swear I'll never trade options again next week. Alright, and now that was the fun. Here's the serious part. This is the kind of shit people are excited about. Join me on Sunday. Lincoln Square AMC as I personally host an advanced screening of some movie. I'm giving all attendees a free soft drink and a free popcorn. Oh my gosh. I gotta go. Free popcorn! Oh, that makes up for the 80% drop. And folks, he knows his popcorn. Alright, he looks like somebody my grandfather would have been friends with He's like a nice old man. You think he gives a fuck about your squeeze? I would have a cup of tea with the guy, but I wouldn't trust my life savings to that guy. AMC, I fucking sold. That was the wrong button. Crypto's decentralized. They can't do that kind of shit. The only ones who can sell like that are the whales. I mean, he's a whale of the company. You got certain coins that have whales in them. But these are solid projects. Been around for a long time. That looks like 43's dad. Yeah, I'm not gonna go all in for old man to control my my future. No offense, Mr. Ryan, but he's not that kind of. You think he ever looks at the chart only when he's taking profit? The point is, he's for the company, not the people, alright? He wants everyone to get stuck bag holding it so they stay around. Keep talking about his company. Makes sense. I just see it as a fairly normal trade nowadays. Normal investment, normal company. We got our 10x out of it, 20x, 30x out of it in January. That's all I wanted out of it. How about you? I was happy AMC went 10x this year. But I guess the coconuts weren't around for that. Dollar's not going straight up. It's something to watch. If you are monitoring that, if you're trying to scalp some crypto or whatnot tonight. But when are we gonna get that major Bitcoin breakout, that alert trigger? That's the real question. Probably not until we see that dollar dip, so if we get lucky, that'll happen. It's already happening. It's just gonna continue, and Bitcoin will continue up this evening. But at this point, it's pointless to try and predict, oh, is Bitcoin gonna hit 50,000 tonight? Is it gonna hit tomorrow night? Is it gonna hit Friday? That's kind of a fruitless effort. When it happens, you wanna know about it. This is when alerts come into play. I have an alert on Bitcoin over $50,000. When it's fucking around this area, I don't really care what it does every 5 minutes. I want to know when it breaks out of 50,000. I don't care if that's tonight, tomorrow, Friday, next week. When it does, I'll know about it, and then there's action, and there's FOMO kicking in. While we're in this area, it's complete toss-up of if that's gonna hit it tonight or not. The best thing we have is bullish crossovers, so it's looking good so far. The 4-hour bullish crossover, the daily bullish crossover. But that's more for this week, for the whole week, rather than for right now in the next hour. But we do have those bullish signals, so I'm not worried about it at all right now. If anyone's feeling panicked about Bitcoin, of it potentially crashing through right here, yeah, it's possible, but it's in the bull's favor right now completely. Even if it were to go down lower, it's likely to have a bounce here first anyway, and then potentially go down after that, so there's no point in trying to scalp Bitcoin right there. Essentially, it's kind of like trying to day trade Virgin Galactic or something. Alright, Hornet, you're in the bat. Yeah. So far, so good from this dollar area. Just this. Is that 110? So this is basic attention token, and wow, yeah. We have a bunch of altcoins that are doing stuff like this. Bullish consolidation here ready to spring up on a whole bunch of altcoin charts. We like the bullish fundamentals on the altcoins. Why is this one appealing? Because they have their own internet browser on the blockchain. It's pretty neat. Brave browser, it's called. B-R-A-V-E, Brave. And I think you can use it right from the website. There it is. Search. There we go. We're browsing the blockchain already. You watch Denwo on the blockchain. Hey, there's our old AMC video. Holy shit. $15. $35 all-time high. AMC target's $11. Let's go. One day AMC's breakout hit $11. We were shooting for $11 for $15, $35. It went to 77.
777.
$20. That's all we were going for. It already went to the moon. GameStop, $90 reverse. That's our $40 buy box on GameStop right there. Arg. I'm gonna cook it. Alright, let's see where GameStop was. GMB, technical analysis. $41. Let's fucking go. Point of control, $40. GameStop. Heyo. We've been catching hot babies all year long. You didn't even know it. Look how many people cared about that one. They don't care about Metin. They don't care about TCAT. They all fell over. They all lost money. They're all gone. Only the strong will survive. That's the world works. That's just how it goes, right? I don't like it either. Isn't that kind of how the world works in nature? Natural selection, coconuts get cracked. Dumb mistakes, dumb FOMO, make regrets. It's natural selection. People buying GameStop a fucking year later kinda have it coming to them. 7 months later, they go all in on GameStop at $400. Yeah, that's stupid. We bought it at 40 last year. They deserve it, right? That's too easy. You can't just FOMO in blind and make money. It's a bunch of dumb moon boys. You gotta strategize your entries. These altcoins. Look how we it's not even. It's pretty simple at the moment. There are some charts that the simpler methods work. I'm talking about altcoins. Magic triangle on Litecoin is very important. Shiba, one fucking trend line. One trend line, rule them all. Should Bitcoin 10x third. You can do that? You can understand when there's a breakout like that. That's what we're waiting for on a bunch of these. We're right here on them. We're so close. I'm not waiting to accumulate. Fuck that. I'm gonna be accumulating as much as I can as long as possible. The real question is, what am I gonna buy next? After I hit my grayscale Litecoin goal, what's the next village? That's a $1 million question. Some decent choices on here. Anchor's no good. Safe. Digibite. Might have just found a banger. We're gonna wrap things up soon. I got stuff to do on Discord for the members. Rank 133. Top 200. Yeah, 24-hour live stream right now. I could, but it's pointless because we gotta wait for this to develop. If I did, what I would be doing is scouting out, charting new things like this. It's not new. I remember this vividly from years ago. I knew it went up a lot. This year, it looks like it's come down a lot this year too. Let's fucking check it out. 500 million market cap. That's small, but it's a popular project. There's some volume going on. Still a lot of people trading it on the daily. 71% of supply. So let's say if it went 10x, it's $4 billion market cap. That's not too big. It's pretty small. That's why it has big moves though. It's up a lot from the bottom, I'm sure of it. Yeah, it's up 10x from the bottom. And it's up even more from the real bottom years and years ago. Okay, look what it did in 2017, 2018. Holy fuck. See, Captain knows best because I was there. I remember on those things went fucking insane. Look at that percent, guys. 600,000%. Because it was a very, very, very small market cap back then. Like a 10 million market cap, now it's 500 million. So it's been on a long-term bull run. That's all I'm analyzing on it is the log chart, so you get kind of the full perspective here of the uptrend. You can see how it's just been long-term bullish there. The question mark that everyone's wondering is, oh, are we gonna have a hard sell-off like this? It's possible, you want to be aware of that. Let's see what kind of retracement earlier. Because look where it was earlier this year. Let's see what kind of dip it is. %. I would love to see it lower, but I don't know if we will. So it started getting down to our accumulations. I'm gonna add it to the watch list. We should work on that chart, see how it develops. It has potential. Just to keep going on long-term bull run, 100%. But I want to see if it comes down first. I want to see if we can get it lower. So not really yet, but we'll keep an eye on it. I want to see if we can get it lower. Around 90%, 95%. Honestly, I don't even really want to touch stuff right now unless it really had a 90%, 199% crash, whatever. There's too much risk right now in some of these where it's like, it's right on the line, and if it gets hammered, it could be ugly and then bounce later. So there's validity to giving these things more time right now. It even goes for Litecoin. Because if somebody went all in Litecoin and then Bitcoin had a hard crash overnight, Litecoin goes down here, all of a sudden they're down like 50%. So the risk is very real on those things. So we really want to make sure we're getting the best of the best discounts right now. We were not trying to buy Litecoin at 250, 300, only under 200. And that goes for Grayscale under 20. Only under 20. As soon as Grayscale Litecoin goes over $20, we're done. We're not buying anymore. I'm gonna cut it off at that point. Remember how you felt if you were watching last month when Dash was up here? These things were already leaving the station. It was already popping through the buy box. We had to cut off entries on Dash already. It already left our buy box. It left our buy box. It left our buy box over and over. This thing's already been exploding. We're lucky to even have entries down here right now. Awesome. We're gonna call it another epic day. We accomplished so much today. You're all doing awesome. Great job. Thanks so much. All the kind words and support in the chat. We're gonna pick it up nice and early. Tomorrow morning we'll dive into pre-market. We'll check out crypto again. No breaks tomorrow. Lightspeed warp traffic. Have an awesome day. And take care. That's all I do, just revenue. But our captain's only as strong as his crew. Have a great rest of your day, yo. Until next time.